Hey guys, how's it going? Well, today we are doing a little project for the winter for the tractor. We're going to build a platform for the tractor to sit on for the winter up off the gravel. So I kind of got this pallet here, and this pallet here I cut up. I need 6 feet of pallet. That one's 3 and like almost 4 feet. This one I cut an extra 2 feet, so then that'll give me 6 feet that I need, and this is what I'm going to build the ramp out of. This piece here will get butted up to this pallet here, and I'll get a piece of wood to time them two together, so then you'll kind of have, one unit. It won't come apart on you. So we're going to get in and go. I'm going to go into the garage now with this because it's cold out here and windy, and we're going to get making the ramps, and I'll get the tripod set up and show you making that. Hey guys, you're watching John Deere 50D on YouTube TV. Okay, so we got our pallet here. We're going to put one glove on, just because this shit's a little rough. So I want to take this piece here, lay that down, lay this piece on top, like that. One of our screws. Hopefully screw these two together. Right now we're just making a ramp. So didn't poke through, so good size for that. Just make sure, you can see. So we're going to get another one. We'll put one on this side. Basically making this video in case you guys want to do this. Good use for old pallets. It's good to have your tractor. Because where I park mine is on like concrete, not concrete, but rocks, so you can see that too. I put mine on rocks, so I kind of want to keep it off the ground. Better for the tires, they won't dry off. Building like a super thing here, but more the better, right? So there's one ramp. That little thing on the bottom won't interfere. If it does, I guess I'll knock that off. So there's ramp 1. That one this side. And there's the second one. For this one's not going to be as wide. For this one, we're going to put one down here. This is a thick wood, it went through either way. Didn't go through the other one. That wood's a little thicker, I guess. I'm gonna throw another one in the center here, the top kind of cracked. Okay, so there's the other piece here. This piece is just gonna go there, basically. Cutting with the chainsaw doesn't make the smoothest cuts. So just like I said, be careful if you guys are doing this. Oh, I got kind of jammed in there. Not the greatest at screws in. Not a master screw gun operator. So yeah, there we got our two ramps, like I said. Hopefully these bottom pieces here won't interfere. If they do, I guess I'll have to break them off. So yeah, now we're going to grab the other pallet and fuse these together. Okay, so I had to get longer screws. I believe these are like 2.5s. Because my 1 5/8 wasn't going to do it for a 2-inch piece of wood. So we're going to cut these off today with the Sawzall once we get them started. Okay, so now you can see different colors in the wood, that's between the old one and the new one. So we're gonna put this here. See if we're lined up here. So I guess that's good. Okay, so now we're going to go to the other side. Okay. So we're going to do basically the same thing. straight perfect. But as good as it's gonna get. Power. Okay, so we got the Sawzall out here, and we're just going to cut these bits off. The Sawzall will shake the shit out of you, so I don't know if your arms are like sensitive or whatever, don't use one of these. See what I mean? Well, my hand's already red. Alright, I think we're going to go with plan B. Okay, so we got plan B out. It's not going to be 100%, but better than having those stick out. We're just going to leave that. That bottom one on there, and we're going to go to the other side. Okay, so here's our final product. We're going to see how long it is. I only need it 6 feet. My guess it's longer than that, because, well, I made it that long. But, set it down real quick. We're close. We got 6 feet, 1.5. So yeah, that's not too bad actually. I think that'll work pretty good. So yeah, we're going to, like I said, here's our wrench here. Going to get this set up across the street where I store my tractor, and we're going to throw a tractor up on it. Okay, I'm going to have to figure out something else too for right here where the conjunction is, because those 2 screws hold it from pulling apart, but it's still, like, this piece will stay flat and this piece will come like straight up. So that ram's kind of cocking over there because that one piece on the bottom, I'll have to cut that off. But we're going to try it here first, see how it is. There she is. She's Everything's up there all nice. Like I said, it's cold out. The tractor's not liking it either. Got a little rough idle to it still. Okay, so after setup and rethinking everything, I did away with the ramps I made. I'm going to use these, but you've seen the way I made them. That they made good ramps, but it's just been a pain in the ass to take those little chunky block things out the bottom. So I scrapped that idea. I cut them. This is all made out of just one pallet, minus these ramps. I cut them off again, as you can see, into little sections here. And this is what's binding these two together from bending. Is these top plates. And then, being that it was just the right length, the tractor front tires were falling down these holes. And I don't want them sitting like that for the winter, so I went ahead and put pieces in the front there so they can sit on there, and yeah, there it is. I just had the tractor up on it and they work nice now. So yeah guys, there's the platform I made for the tractor. Let me know what you guys think of it. I think it's a pretty good idea for the winter. So yeah, easy helpful way to use up 2 pallets, you know. One wouldn't have worked, one's not long enough, so yeah, there it is. Looks like it's gonna rain soon, so I better get going inside. I actually feel drops of something falling now. So yeah, there it is guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.